Hi, I'm Wine Spectator's Rori Kotch. We're here in Dania, Florida, and we're going to catch our dinner. We went fishing, and while we didn't catch anything, I still decided to treat my family to a nice fish dinner, and I made this Miso-Soy Sea Bass recipe, and I really hope you enjoy it. In general is a more delicate fish. It's light and flaky, but the dominant flavors in this recipe are more savory and tangy. So I would recommend pairing it with a nice bright fruity Riesling or maybe an earthy Pinot Noir, and I think you have the perfect pairing. Cheers.